we will continue with the chapter study techniques, and I hope which 11 point we have discussed in previous video you follow in your daily routine. Let's come toward the 12th point. Our search for knowledge should not end with the textbooks. We should find time for reading extra books dealing with same topic. Then automatically you grasp more and more knowledge about that related topic. Discuss various topics with friends can be effective way of learning. Each one has different sort of knowledge related to that topic, so we need to discuss so that we can get more knowledge. Whenever we get a chance, share with others what we have studied. Always remember, the best way of learning is teaching. If you know any topic and your friend come toward you and ask you that you can make him or her understand that topic, don't ignore. You have to help your friend. When you teach or try to understand a topic to your friend, automatically you get a chance to share your knowledge with others, and that thing you will remember in your mind forever. Make sure body gets enough rest. A sound sleep can refresh the body and mind. It doesn't mean that if you go to study and full day and night you open the book and continue to the study. No. You need rest also. Your body needs rest also. When you take the rest, your mind becomes fresh and easily you will learn everything. If doubtful of something, get the help of teacher. Never hesitate to get doubts cleared. So, in class you can make clarity of your doubt with the teacher. Don't hesitate. Teachers will always help you. And whatever the doubt you have, they make it clear. Once we have studied something, just take a piece of paper and write it down. Writing fixes what is learned. When you learn something and write, then automatically that thing you grasp inside your mind. At times, get the help of parents or brothers, sisters or friends to ask question on what we have studied. You have to take help from your parents, your brother, sister or friends, and whatever you study you can discuss with them. You learn each and everything. More importantly, be confident. Once we believe in our ability to learn, nobody can stop us from doing this. So, confidence, develop positive thinking in the mind. If you don't have the confidence, whether you learn anything, it develops negative thinking in your mind. You have to develop confidence in yourself. Let's start with the book exercise. First question, how is reading associated with learning? Reading is aspect of learning. And what is the meaning of aspect? One of the quality or part of a situation. Second, what is the advantage of review and updates? Review and updates will help us to know our progress in studies. Third, how should we make the priority list? We should make the list begin with the most difficult subject or task. D part, what happens once we have faith in our ability to learn? When we have faith in our ability to learn, nobody can stop us from doing so. True, false? The first duty of a student is to read. True. There should be adequate light when we study. True. One should study all night without sleeping. False. Teaching is the best way to learn. True. Now sharing time, you have to read these two description boxes through which you come to know which habit is good and which habit is bad. First you can see this pic. Amisha is good in studies. If she has some doubts, she doesn't care to get them cleared. But we should clear the doubt from the teachers. She doesn't share it with her friend too. We should share our knowledge with our friends. She thinks it is a shame. It is a wrong. Which habit it is? Bad. About this boy Rohit, Rohit wants to study well during study hours. He sits for hours and studies. He doesn't even move from his seat. Sometime he becomes tired and notes. This one is bad. If you feel tired, little bit, you can take one glass of water. You can take one round, and once again you can sit for the study. Now, fourth question. The textbooks, teachers and parents are the main sources of knowledge, but however there are some other sources too for our knowledge. First, you can see the picture depict newspaper, nature, internet, video, library and media. These are also sources to get knowledge.